Are you tired of relinquishing control of your digital assets? Then look no further than Cirus, the revolutionary Web3 solution empowering you. Hey crypto fam, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Cirus, a Web3 powerhouse that's empowering users and revolutionizing the way we interact with crypto. What is Cirus Foundation? Imagine a world where you control your digital assets, seamlessly navigate Web3, and even earn from your browsing data. That's the reality Cirus brings. Their user-friendly multi-chain wallet is the gateway to this exciting world. Cirus is all about financial inclusion. They believe everyone deserves access to financial opportunities, and their platform goes beyond just making money off data. It lets you own your data footprint and profit from it. Why Cirus Wallet? Here's what makes Cirus stand out. Multi-chain transactions. Store and trade crypto across different blockchains, all within the secure Cirus Wallet. Data monetization. Earn rewards, Cirus tokens or USD, for simply browsing the web. Similar to Brave, but compatible with any browser. Instant transactions. Enjoy fast and cheap transactions with both centralized and decentralized exchanges. Increased rewards. Holding Cirus in your wallet boosts your data monetization rewards. It's like having your own personal crypto miner. Security first. Cirus prioritizes security. Their wallet has been audited by Hackin for peace of mind. Plus, the team is transparent, with doxed professionals showcasing their work on their YouTube channel. Deep dive into the Cirus ecosystem. Download the Cirus Wallet extension. It's easy to set up and use. Head over to the Chrome store, link in the description, and get started. There's more to come with future updates planned for the extension. Staking and rewards. Earn passive income by staking your Cirus tokens. The APY percentages are competitive, and you can choose to earn rewards for browsing in Cirus or USD. Huge partnership alert. This is a game changer. Cirus has partnered with Shift Markets, a company with a network of 59 exchanges and over 40 million users. This means millions could potentially be using the Cirus wallet soon. Check out the full article here, link in the description. What does this mean for you? Cirus will be the first to offer a non-custodial wallet integrated with centralized exchanges, or CEXs. This translates to fast, cheap trading while keeping your assets secure in your own wallet. Remember FTX? This eliminates the risk of losing your crypto due to exchange issues. Keep your keys, your coins. Tokenomics and future. Cirus tokens are the backbone of the Cirus ecosystem, powering various functionalities and incentivizing participation. However, the Cirus team has decided to revise the original tokenomics model to optimize its efficiency and sustainability. Let's break down the key changes in the revised Cirus token model. Reduction in total supply. One of the significant changes in Cirus Tokenomics V2 is the reduction in total supply. This means there will be fewer Cirus tokens in circulation, potentially increasing the value of each token. Reallocation of remaining tokens. The reallocation of remaining tokens aims to better distribute them across the ecosystem. This could involve allocating more tokens to areas like rewards for validators, developers, and community initiatives. Shift to a deflationary model. Cirus Tokenomics V2 also introduces a deflationary model. This means the total supply of Cirus tokens will decrease over time, potentially leading to an increase in token value due to scarcity. These changes in Cirus Tokenomics V2 are expected to bring several benefits to the ecosystem, including increased token value. By reducing the total supply and implementing a deflationary model, the value of each Cirus token is expected to rise over time. Enhanced ecosystem growth. The reallocation of tokens to key areas like validator rewards and developer initiatives can foster a more vibrant and sustainable Cirus ecosystem. Improved token utility. The revised tokenomics model aims to make Cirus tokens more valuable and useful within the ecosystem. We've got exciting news brewing. Mobile app development. The Cirus mobile app is on track, and it will include some groundbreaking features, including a payment on-off ramp. Big partnership incoming. Cirus is in the talks with a major crypto institution to offer staking on their platform. This will create a supply shock and incentivize stakers with even more rewards. Stay tuned for the official announcement. CEX listings. Cirus is strategically choosing the best CEX partners, with Bybit and OKX as strong contenders. We'll hear a big announcement soon, and there's another major exchange lined up for Q2 this year. Exclusive wallet partnership. JKL, a hedge fund managing a whopping $500 million, has chosen Cirus as their exclusive wallet partner. This collaboration will benefit both parties in the long run. Token burn incoming. Cirus is committed to their promises. They've already burned 35 million tokens, and another significant burn, around 10 million, is coming soon. Get ready for a more valuable token. New partnership with Ape Bond. Check out the tweet on our Twitter, link in the description, to learn more about this exciting development. This is your chance to be a part of the Cirus revolution. The clock is ticking. Download the Cirus wallet extension today and experience the future of Web3. This user-friendly platform empowers you to take control of your digital assets and earn rewards for your data. Don't miss out on the immense potential of Cirus. With a 20 to 30x price increase on the horizon, the future is bright for Cirus investors. Head over to the description for all the relevant links. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe for more.